is the love of my life.
Lines and wrinkles.
Why is that the love of your life,
I mean,
Libby?
Skittles is so bad.
Because it's the only thing that listens to me. It's a wall. I was talking to Tom, he don't listen to me because he's not in a good mood. I was talking to y'all, but y'all was too busy. Yap, 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 yap.
We were trying to get something to drink. I need to wake up.
And Mikey wasn't listening to me.
Because he's listening to me.
So I told Tom, I said, I'm going to go talk to the only thing that'll listen to me. This wall. And I get as much reaction from this wall as I did you guys.
But we noticed you were talking to the wall.
Hey, we did, not the guys.
Well,
We
I
did.
look fat, snap.
Woo, woo, you look awesome.
But my
Sexy mama show.
my shorts are too big.
That means you lost weight, honey. That means you're
No,
sexy.
they're stretchy, and you wear them and they stretch out.
I like stretchy clothes.
Me too.
Comfortable.
Especially after the third day.
I'm about to run out of clothes, so Saturday I'm gonna have to go naked.
Oh, no, that's the ride home. Yeah, I got a blankie in the back seat.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's sing a song. Let's everybody sing a song.
Sing it, Libby.
Sing a song.
Let's sing a song. Make sure you don't look fat. I don't
What
wanna
we
look
gonna
fat
sing?
in this video.
Row, row,
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, I don't know the words.
Merrily,
Merry, life is but a dream.
I don't like that song.
I didn't either.
I want another song.
And like first grade.
I don't smoke a cigarette before I quit. I'm going to quit because most single men from the age that I want of 21.
Okay, give me my cigarette. Where'd it go? It's
Did you
over
get
there.
that?
Is it there? Thank
What's
you.
that?
They don't smoke. Men don't smoke. You know that? Most people don't smoke. Us smokers are outcasts to society. We are outcasts. But it's okay. Tonight I'm an outcast.
Let me tell you something about smoking. If they don't like it,
Let me come
they
over
don't
here.
have to
Look
do
at
it.
the pretty legs of yours.
They don't have to smell it. They don't have to do it. But it's a lot better than being a pervert.
I tell you,
I was trying to see where I was going with that.
this here cruise has been a great experience for me.
But next time you want to do it with a gigolo.
I got the tongue accident now.
I'll tell you what, next time I'm on it. Hey, will you want to get married?
Hey, she wants to marry somebody till we get back to the
You want to get married?
Even if it's fake,
Come here a minute.
we got to do the vows.
Come here just for 1 minute. You won't get fired. Come here.
He said yes.
You say yes?
She wants to get married.
He says yes.
He says
I can
yes.
do the ceremony now.
My next husband.
Thank you.
Oh.
Yes, yes, good.
Yes.
Do you take Libby D. Danielle Wood
Yes, me.
to be your lovely wedded wife?
Look at me. Yes.
What is your name?
Danny, my name.
Danny? Okay. Do you
Danny?
take
Oh,
Libby?
Danny, another Danny.
Do you take Libby to be your wife?
I do.
Libby, do you take Danny to be your husband?
Oh, yes, I do.
Well, by the power invested in me,
By their own power.
I pronounce you husband and wife.
Thank you. That's good. We're
Woohoo.
married now.
Ah!
All right, you ready?
She
You
married
ready
Danny tonight.
We
That's
got to
cool.
make this thing official.
Now you gotta consummate the marriage now.
Got a bread tie in there.
Hey, Libby, you gotta consummate the marriage to be legal.
He's got to kiss your cheek too.
I forgot to tell you I was a notary in Republic. Libby, did I forget to tell you I was a notary Republic?
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
But not over the Atlantic Ocean waters.
No.
No.
She ain't a captain in this.
I'm kidding.
Yeah. Here.
Wrap
Ring.
this around.
This ring.
With this ring, are they wed?
I'll make it now. See?
Oh, let me see. Oh,
We're so happy.
Nick.
Oh, yes.
Oh, she's got a ring. Y'all see that? That's awesome.
She said she had to get married before this cruise was over, and you've done it.
Now we don't have to be in the hallways no more looking for her husband.
The Indonesia.
Oh, good, you're a new U.S. citizen. Your green card's in the mail.
I got green card, huh?
We got good health.
He's got green heart.
Everything.
You definitely got green card if you married Libby.
Yeah.
Good health benefits.
She likes the right side of the bed, actually the middle, but...
No, she likes it all. Right with you.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Thank you. I have my green card now, yeah?
Yay!
Okay, see you time. See you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.